Welcome, my friend, to a journey of exploration and growth. In today's episode, we dive deep into the topic of disadvantages of trusts. Trust is a powerful force that shapes our relationships, decisions, and experiences. But have you ever considered the potential downsides of placing blind trust? Let's uncover the hidden truths and empower ourselves with knowledge. Trust is the foundation upon which relationships are built. It brings us closer, fosters collaboration, and enables us to rely on one another. Trust is essential in both personal and professional settings. But is trust always a guarantee of positive outcomes? Let's explore the disadvantages that can arise when trust is misplaced or taken advantage of. While trust can be a beautiful thing, blind trust can lead us down a dangerous path. When we trust without questioning, we leave ourselves vulnerable to manipulation, deceit, and betrayal. It's crucial to be discerning and aware of the risks associated with blind trust. By understanding these pitfalls, we can navigate relationships and situations with caution. Embracing healthy skepticism doesn't mean abandoning trust altogether. It means approaching situations with a balanced perspective. By cultivating critical thinking skills, we can protect ourselves from falling prey to false promises and deceptive individuals. Healthy skepticism empowers us to question, verify, and make informed decisions. Trust can be rebuilt after experiencing its disadvantages. Transparency becomes the cornerstone of rebuilding trust. When we openly communicate, share our intentions, and admit our mistakes, we create an environment where trust can flourish. It requires vulnerability and courage, but the rewards are stronger, more authentic connections. Finding the balance between trust and personal boundaries is crucial. It's essential to trust others, but also to trust ourselves in setting limits. By defining our boundaries and communicating them effectively, we protect our well-being while still allowing for meaningful connections. Trust should never compromise our values or compromise our own needs. Betrayal can shatter trust, leaving us feeling broken and hesitant to trust again. However, healing and rebuilding trust is possible. It takes time, open communication, and a commitment to forgiveness. By acknowledging our pain, seeking support, and working through the process, we can gradually restore trust and find healing. Despite the potential disadvantages, trust remains an essential ingredient for meaningful connections. Trustworthy relationships bring joy, support, and a sense of belonging. When we find individuals who prove themselves trustworthy, we nurture those relationships and create a network of support and love. In conclusion, trust is a powerful force that shapes our lives. While blind trust can lead to disadvantages, it's important to cultivate healthy skepticism, set boundaries, and prioritize transparent communication. By doing so, we can navigate relationships and experiences with wisdom and discernment. Remember, my friend, trust is a precious gift that should be earned and protected. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Let's continue to explore the intricacies of trust and empower ourselves with knowledge. Together, we can build a world where trust thrives. Thank you for watching. And until next time, embrace the power of trust and let it guide you on your journey.